What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you are into technology as well, because I post about how you can use technology to your advantage, how you can make money with it, and other tutorials about technology like this one. Today I want to share with you in this video how you can get unlimited reactions on Instagram in a very short period of time. The first step you have to do is go to this website. Link will be in the description. Then head over to Instagram and choose likes. Second step is you have to add a picture you want to boost. So you have to go to Instagram to get the picture's URL. As you can see, we are currently having 22 reactions on this picture, but as we trade the points we earn, we will get more reactions. Third step is you have to start turning points to trade with the reactions for the picture you selected. There are a lot of ways in which you can earn points on this website. You can earn points by watching YouTube videos, by liking videos, reacting on people's Instagram photos, etc. You can check them out, but in this video we are going to earn points by watching YouTube videos. Now let's try refreshing, checking on Instagram to see if this method has worked. As you can see, it worked. We gained reactions from 22 to this number. Have fun gaining more reactions on YouTube with this simple method. Thank you for sticking around. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe and share the content.